This video will show you how to replace the mass airflow sensor on a Mitsubishi Lancer with a 2.4-liter engine. This will be located along the top driver's side of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate the mass airflow sensor attached to the air filter housing. We're going to start with our electrical connector. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing in on the locking tab. Once you have it disconnected, a quick inspection for corrosion, and we're going to set that wiring aside. After you have the wiring off of there, we're just going to make sure we clean around the area where the mass airflow sensor sits so no miscellaneous debris makes its way into the air intake system. We'll be using a T20 Torx driver to remove our two mounting bolts. Once you've removed both of those, go ahead and take hold of the mass airflow sensor and remove it from the air filter housing. There it is, friend. Now, prior to installation of any brand new part, we're always going to clean and inspect the mounting surface. For this, we're not using any type of detergent, just a clean rag should do. As you clean, make sure you're wiping things away from the port leading into the air inlet. Now it's time for installation of our mass airflow sensor. We'll make sure we have it in the proper orientation so our electrical connector can connect in. Slide it right in there. We'll press it in until it feels as though it's properly secured, and then we're going to install both of our bolts. Start in those bolts and then snug them up. Let's double check to make sure that's properly secured in place and reconnect our electrical connector next. Just go ahead and press that in and listen for a click. After an audible click, we want to make sure that's secure. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our mass airflow sensor. Now the next thing you need to do is hop in the passenger compartment and start up the vehicle. You need to let it run. Make sure you have no check engine light and no running condition. Close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.